This is David Yoder. Work for Big Yield. We're here in the Garden City location filming today. And I just want to let you guys know there is a MOA convention, farm show going on January 24th through the 26th. That's a Thursday through a Saturday. It's an organic show. There'll be a lot of different things going on. There'll be some vendors, some really good vendors there, be some good buyers there. We're actually putting on a workshop up there this year talking about the roadmap to organic production in corn and soybeans and wheat and cover crops, all that good stuff. And then the big buzz this year seems to be hemp. So I think there'll be a lot of good information on growing hemp, what that means for Missouri. It's fairly new, at least for my generation, to Missouri. So that'll be going on, like I said, it's January 24th through the 26th. It's Thursday through Saturday. It's at the Stony Creek Hotel and Conference Center in Independence, Missouri. You can get on moaorganic.org and get registered, get signed up. If you need help with that, give us a call. We'll be happy to help you get signed up, and anything we can do to get you guys there and come take advantage of the fun stuff going on. So this is David Yoder signing off with BigYield.us.